I mean, because they go down, and last time she
What
watched them,
are you doing?
I think it was Taylor, it got to be a certain time, and she says, I think I go to bed. And it's like, she's like, oh my God, that's right. You know, I mean, that's wonderful. So,
Yeah, the meltdown, the one meltdown.
Well,
About the pool.
yeah.
Welcome to 2 years old.
Yeah.
We have those once in a while.
No, other than that, they're great.
Thank you. All right, let's take you home and get you down.
Well, it's good seeing you.
You take care too.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, guys.
Tired.
Bye, guys. See you later.
I should go down for a nap.
Oh, sorry, Josh.
Do you want me to help?
Joe, good girl.
Do you want some help, Joe? I can help you. Does she need help?
Look at how that's going around.
Isn't that neat how it's going around the fan? Look at Sam. You see? Look at it going around. Okay, Lisa's well, it's got to go that way. Careful now, you watch those steps when you get down. Lisa, you get some chocolate.
We have to hurry. Come on, fans. I wish the fans had brains.
Okay, so stop. Your picture's not going to know where to stop.
It is.
No, stop the camera.
Not now. Until it stops. It's slowing down, okay?
She's getting cake and ice cream, so she's inside. This is
Renee.
Renee. Say hi, Renee. Just look, but don't bug. Just take a peek. Hi, Lou. Melissa has a cat that looks just like that. Not as big, a little bit more black, but the same. I mean, look at the face is the same. So we just look, but we don't bother him. You can't see him, but he's sleeping up against the wall.
I got it. Oh, okay, behind it.
Aaron ran away, so I didn't want to.
But Sue is